skein of yarn is easy. You just need a little graph theory. We say that a path exists between two nodes if it's possible to get from one node to the other just by moving along the edges. What's special about a skein of yarn is we know that there's exactly one path between the two ends of the yarn. One problem we have when untangling is finding where those ends are. Here's where the mathemagic happens. I'm gonna go ahead and count how many pieces of yarn we have between these two sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All this tells me is that both ends are either on this side or this side. Why is that? This is where I start to think about something called a cut set. A cut set is a set of edges, such as these 4 edges here, that if you cut them would completely disconnect the graph. Imagine I'm moving back and forth between the two sides of this graph. If I want to start and end here, I need to move an even number of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. If I want to start here and end here, I need to move an odd number of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So since I have 4 pieces of yarn between these two halves, that means both ends must be on the same side. And now I have a 1/2 probability of guessing the correct side. So let's see how I do. So now I've broken the smaller half into 2 more halves. Again, I have an even number of strings between them. So that's telling me that both ends might be in this side here. There we have it. I found one of the ends. So this means that the other end is guaranteed to be somewhere in here. Now let's find it. There it is. Now, unfortunately, topology is not one of my specialties because some knot theory would come in very handy right about now. But yeah, that's how I start untangling yarn using math. I really thought everyone detangled their yarn thinking about odd and even numbers, but apparently I'm just a nerd. So anyway, hope that helps.